Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to use shared nodes in DaVinci Resolve. This is an incredibly useful feature that allows you to apply the same color grade across multiple clips, and any changes you make to that shared node will automatically update everywhere it's used. Let's jump right in. First, open your DaVinci Resolve application and get your project loaded up. Once you're in, you'll need to navigate to the color workspace. On the bottom of your screen, you'll see several tabs, one of which is labeled Color. Click on that to enter the color grading environment where all the magic happens. Now, before we create a shared node, let's add a regular node first. On the right side of your screen, you'll see your node graph. To add a new node, press Alt-S on your keyboard. This keyboard shortcut is a quick way to add a serial node to your chain, and it's something you'll use constantly when color grading. With your new node selected, let's make some adjustments so you can see how shared nodes work. For this example, head down to the bottom panel and locate the Curves tool. Adjust the curves to increase the brightness of your image. This could be any adjustment you want, but we're keeping it simple for demonstration purposes. Here's where it gets interesting. Right-click on that node you just edited and select Saved as Shared Node from the menu that appears. This converts your regular node into a shared node, which means you can now reuse this exact grade on other clips. You'll notice that the node now has a default name, something like Shared Node. To keep things organized, it's best to rename it to something descriptive. Double-click on the node name and rename it. For this example, let's call it Bright since we adjusted the brightness. Now let's apply this shared node to another clip. Navigate to a different clip in your timeline, press Alt-S again to add a new node to this clip. Right-click on that new node and select Add Node from the menu. In the submenu that appears, you'll see your saved shared node listed. Select the one called Bright, and that's it. The shared node is now applied to this clip with the exact same settings. Here's the powerful part. If you go back and edit the shared node on any clip, it will affect every other instance of that shared node throughout your project. This saves an enormous amount of time when you want consistent grading across multiple shots. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.